Let's get it. 76 days till Palmer Marathon means only one thing. Day 1 of 75 hard. Right, here we go. First meal on the Mediterranean diet. So we've got strawberries, blueberries, Greek yogurt, and peanut butter down the middle. So the peanut butter was meant to be walnuts with a little drizzle of honey and cinnamon, but I didn't have those three, so we had to make do. You can't tell me that you haven't got time to make high protein, healthy, gut-friendly meals. This literally took me 2 minutes to put together. So if you need a high protein, gut-friendly meal to take to work, put this in a container, and it's literally 35 grams of protein within 2 minutes. Just, you can't tell me you don't have time. But anyway, first meal on the 75 hard journey. Let's get busy. Gonna eat this, and then we're gonna go gym after for the first indoor workout. 2 litres down. Celtic salt, lemon, hydration on point. Another 2 litres to go to hit that 75 hard. 3.8 litres, 1 gallon mark for the day. So that is hydration on point before gym. So only 12:30 and we're 2 litres down. So the first session of this 75 hard journey, we're going to go for an indoor gym session, little push day with a bit of core just to support the running and the football. So I'm just looking to maintain muscle over these next 75 days, not trying to bulk up or do anything like that, just maintain 4 gym sessions. First one about to go down, push and core, just going to have a banana as a little bit of pre-workout. Post-workout meal, simple, effective, Mediterranean, fish, so you've got some canned tuna here. Sometimes, you know, you just save yourself time, just get some cans, tuna, salmon, mackerel, simple, easy. This one's in brine, you can get in olive oil, even better for the Mediterranean diet. Some salad, avocado, tomatoes, lettuce, some jalapenos in there as well, making it a bit spicy. And then we just got some potatoes cooked in some Mediterranean tomato sauce. So simple but effective. All the nutrients that you need. Protein, fiber, carbs after a workout. But this meal here is going to keep you full as well. And it's all good whole foods. So I'm going to dive in. But that is the second meal on the Medi diet on day 1 of 75 hard. So without further ado, I'm starving, so cheers to that. Water, easy, bossed off, 3,800 millilitres, 3.8 litres. But you know what? May as well get to 4. So let's finish this, and that is going to be water done for day 1 of 75 hard. Yes, so the book I'm currently reading, 10 pages done, is The Courage to be Disliked. And each day, I don't want to just say, I've read 10 pages. I want to give you something, just a little bit that I've taken from the 10 pages that I've read, so that you can actually learn something and take value from it. Because this book is brilliant, and if you haven't read this book, I definitely recommend it. What I want to take from it today and pass on to you is, it's actually started to talk about the title of the book now. So, when you are trying to be successful, when you're trying to do things that potentially someone might disagree with, you're not always going to be liked. It's not saying, you know, you should want to be disliked by people, but it's saying that you should be comfortable in yourself, in your close circle, and who you're surrounded by, the decisions that you're making and things like that, that you know that some people aren't going to like it, because at the end of the day, everyone's got different opinions. So some people are not going to like what you're doing, you know, even though you might be thinking you're doing the best thing for the world, you know, you're changing lives, you're doing this and that. Some people will still dislike you. And if you're comfortable in your own self and understand that what you're doing is actually providing value, you're doing good things, then you shouldn't worry what that one person or those few people think about you, essentially. So that's what I want you to take from today. Do your thing, work on something that you're passionate about. Not everyone's going to like you, not everyone's going to like the thing you're working on, but as long as you're comfortable, you're happy with it, and you're doing good things, keep shining.
Second workout, outdoors. Let's get busy. Going for an endurance run at marathon pace, around 10 to 12k. That's what the plan says. So let's get it.
That is day 1 of 75 hard, boshed. Done, finished, 2 workouts, 1 gym session, 1 run, clean, whole foods to finish off. I'll show you what that is in a second. On the Mediterranean diet, 10 pages, 4 litres of water, no alcohol, no cheat meals, done. Day 1, it was always going to be easy because it's the start of it. But at the end of the day, these are all basic habits that you need for your fitness journey. Yes, there's a bit more in terms of 2 workouts, things like that. But the others are just basic habits that you need to lose weight, to build muscle. So I'm doing this to show you that fitness can be sustainable and you just need to master the basic habits. 76 days till the marathon, 75 days of hard graft, but sustainable graft. I'm going to show you absolutely everything. So come back tomorrow to see more Mediterranean food inspiration, more discipline, more consistency. I've got a pool session in the morning and football training in the evening, and more delicious Mediterranean inspiration for you. So anyway, dinner, homemade burgers with chicken mince, salad, a load of all sorts going on here with olive oil, and potato with feta cheese. So keeping it whole foods, keeping it predominantly Mediterranean, and that's what we're about. So if you want more of this, more training, more consistency, more motivation, inspiration, food tips, fitness tips, come back tomorrow for day 2 and I'll see you there. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on 75 Hard, day 2.